Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure Memcached on Ubuntu 22.04. By default, the Memcached package is included in the Ubuntu default repository. You can easily install it using the following command. Once Memcached is installed, start the Memcached service with the following command. You can check the status of Memcached using the following command. You should receive the following output. To verify the Memcached version, run the following command. By default, Memcached listens on port 11211. You can verify this with the following command. You should see the following output. To use Memcached with PHP-based applications, you need to install the PHP Memcached extension on your server. You can install it with Apache by using the following command. Next, create a sample PHP test page to verify Memcached functionality. Add the following code, save and close the file, and then restart the Apache service to apply the changes. After that, open your web browser and access the PHP page using the following URL. You should see Memcached on the following screen. Next, create another PHP test page to verify whether Memcached works or not. Then, add the following code. Save and close the file, then open your web browser and access the PHP test page using the following URL. You should see the following screen. Then, reload the page. This time, the page will load from cache memory. It is recommended to use Simple Authentication and Security Layer, SASL, to secure Memcached with user-based authentication. To do so, you need to install the following package on your server. Next, create a directory and a configuration file for SASL authentication. Then, add the following lines. Save and close the file, then create a SASL database with user credentials. Next, set your password. Change the ownership of the Memcached database. Next, verify the Memcached using the following command. You should get the following output. Next, edit the Memcached configuration file. Add the following lines. Save and close the file, then restart the Memcached service to apply the changes. Next, verify the SASL support using the following command. If everything is fine, you will get the following output. Now, try to check connectivity to Memcached again without authentication. The command should not produce output. Type the following shell command to check its status. You should receive the following status code means the memcstat command failed. Next, run the Memcached command again by specifying the username and password. If you want to integrate Memcached with Python-based web applications, you need to install the Memcached extension for Python. You can install it using the following command.